Are you ready?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
You could take all the pain though, right?
Hmm?
You could take all the pain though, right?
Yes. It's on YouTube.
Okay.
And, say, my husband was a police officer, and he was accused, torturing people. And let me show you how the doctor tortured him.
Okay.
And, so, yeah, so, this here. No.
Oh, that's it.
See how fast it is, man? See how I pin the guy there? Did you see how I pin the guy?
Do you want a removable or anything?
No, just,
No?
yeah, remove a split.
Okay.
So, I was the doctor of the wrestling team. So my guy was one of the best wrestlers in the world. So Russians were moving him in four corner for about a year and a half before the Olympic Games. And in the final, the Russians were playing him,
Yeah.
And it took 11 seconds for him to pin him down, And I said, he was so fast. That's what.
Thank you.
How long is the pain supposed to last?
The pain will go away.
Yeah.
About 2 minutes. But if I do like
Yeah.
this and
Yeah,
this,
it takes
will
too
be
long,
close.
yeah.
This
Not
is
work.
second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You agree?
Yes.
I was
Yes.
probably made mistake. I should give you to.
Oh
prove
yes.
that.
Yes.
Now I made mistake. I
Yes.
see that.
Here's the pins.
Sorry, buddy. No pain, no gain.
Yeah.